Hello everybody and welcome to our on-screen tutorial for this week. I thought that we might do something interesting to help familiarize you with the Google dashboard and making sense of Google advertising and just online advertising in general. And today we're going to be chatting about simplifying and understanding advertising acronyms, because they pop up quite a lot. And if you are placing all of the adverts yourself, it's important that you know the main ones. All of the others you could go and just do a Google search on your own. But I think to start with, given where we are on our e-commerce journeys and getting started, I want to just go through the main ones so that you feel more certain about what they mean. So as you're placing ads, it's clearer and it's making more sense. So we're starting here on the Google dashboard, the landing page, and I'm going to go into our Google Ads account. We're just going to keep going through these same techniques so that you're all familiar with how to get there and not feeling overwhelmed by where everything is and how to find it. So the more often we go into our different Google products, the easier it is to maintain and babysit on a daily basis, because then we don't have to keep searching for login details, etc. So here we're going to go into the Celestial Gifts, Google Ads dashboard. We're going to select an overview of all of the campaigns running. So we're just on the main page at the moment. And so here we have our search and smart campaigns, and I have enabled mine to focus on all enabled. And here we had some serious credit card issues, some massive blocks on my business credit card, thus the dip. But once that was all sorted out, off we go. We are back in action. So I have 4 dynamic search, responsive search ads going at any given time. And these are focusing on the 4 main themes. Our hero products, like I've discussed before, we actually have 4 main pockets of experiences or bundles of experiences that people love most. And that includes the driving experiences, the helicopter and fixed wing flights, as well as marriage proposals and anniversary experiences and stunt flights for aerobatics. So those are enabled and they're all delivering and serving fine. But what we're going to go in and do is have a look at the performance or the dashboard of one of these display campaigns. And we're going to go through the acronyms that we see on the dashboard so that we can make sense of it all. So we're going to go into this one. We're going to go into the actual ads. I'm going to find the view that we are looking for. Okay. So here's an example. So there we have your ad group, the status, the ad group type. So there is a dynamic search and also a standard search that has been set up. Here we go, clicks. This means when someone clicks your ad, it's counted here. So that's all quite self-explanatory. We all understand that. Then we have impression. An impression is counted each time your ad is served on Google's ads network, such as on google.com, YouTube, or other publisher websites and apps. Impressions help you understand how often your ad is being seen. Clicked-through rate measures how often people click your ad after it's shown to them, which can help you understand the effectiveness of your ad. Click-through rate is calculated by dividing the number of clicks your ad receives by the number of times your ad is shown. If you have 5 clicks and 1,000 impressions, your click-through rate is 0.5%. And here they have a little find out more, and it goes straight to, if you can focus on the bottom part of the screen, is Google support. So why I'm going through this one by one is to actually show you what a lot of us have overlooked, that over a period of time, as Google, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn have become easier and easier for small business to medium business to manage themselves, to be learning and place the ads themselves, I've noticed that it has become more user-friendly. It's more easy to find your way around, easy to find the meaning of something that's on your dashboard, which is why I'm showing you these pop-ups and how you can go to learn more. Because I think the power is in familiarizing yourself with the Google dashboard, feeling comfortable and confident moving around the Google dashboard, just like using your online shops or your WordPress site, whatever it is that you're using, it all comes with confidence. And the more you use it, the easier it becomes for you to do more yourself and really feel that independence. So here it is, average cost per click, AVG CPC is the amount that you've paid for your ad divided by its total clicks. If your ad received 2 clicks on one costing at 20 pence and one costing, if your ad receives 2 clicks, one costing is 20 pence and one costing 40 pence, your average CPC for those clicks is 30 pence. So that's just described there how it's worked out. And of course, you have the learn more again, bottom left-hand part of the screen is popping up the option to go through the Google support dashboard. Then you have the actual cost, and that is very, self-explanatory. Cost is the total of your spend during this period. Of course, you also have the graph up above where you can go and customize the dates. That gives a good indication of how it is that you are doing. And then you have conversions, shows the number of conversions you received after ad interactions, such as text ad clicks or video ad clicks. Learn more. There you go. Up the left-hand part of the screen, and you can go and learn more. And then, of course, there is the conversion rate, which pops out to read, shows how often and on average an ad interaction leads to a conversion. It's conversions divided by the interactions with your ad. So when you are on Google and you are seeing all of these different advertising acronyms, and these are acronyms that are used throughout online advertising and social media advertising, I recommend that it's really good to make a list or find a list of these online and make a printout and put that in your digital marketing file so that you can understand exactly what they mean and you can adapt your dashboard to how you would like to see it. I'm actually going to put in here and there's quite a lot of information that you can find. I've just popped in Google advertising acronyms, and of course you can go through the various blogs, the top blogs that are coming through, but I like to go and find my information from the horse's mouth, which is Google, and I use Google support every day, all day, and it's really all there. You're guaranteed that the information is up to date. So pop into the Google ads, and here you have all of the definitions coming through. Google Ads is Google's online advertising platform. Through Google Ads, you can create online ads to reach people exactly when they are interested in the products and the services that you offer. And then, of course, you can go through what they have here on the Google Ads dashboard, and it will assist you with all of the acronyms. They have that coming through. There's some acronyms here. You can go acronyms. You can see click-through rate. You can go in here and go click-through rate, meaning, and there you go. You can go CPC, meaning, and off you go. It gives it all to you there. So I recommend that you make a list of what you are using most of, that you get stuck with, and print it out from the internet and put that into your digital marketing file, and also make use of support.google.com for all of your Google advertising related questions, and take that as your word of mouth. From the horse's mouth, everything's always up to date, and you will be getting the correct knowledge. Anyway, I wish you all luck. I hope that was helpful on more about a deep dive into the Google Ads dashboard and learning about the Google Ads acronyms, and also where you can find out more based on the metrics that you are most interested in tracking. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon for another one of our online webinars.